Hey guys, today we come with the new problem, length of longest substring that does not contain any vowel. This is the problem, guys, condition under substring. Okay, so let's start. We have given a string and n lowercase character, and the task is to find the length of the longest substring that does not contain any vowel. And here is the test case. You can see gigs for gigs. In this, there are many substrings. You can calculate easy, but we have to find only those substring who have no any vowel. That means a totally consonant. This is the substring, guys, the longest substring. Like G is also a substring, but it is not the longest substring. G is also substring. K is also substring. Ks is also substring, guys. Even here, Ks is also a string. But we have to find the longest. We have to find the longest. The length of this substring G is only one, but KSF, you can see KSF 3. Okay, KSF is the longest substring. And in this, what is the longest substring? FF, FF, or BB. So the output is 2. Okay, so let's see here, before going on the replet, we have to find a non-vowel substring. Okay, firstly we have to find a non-vowel substring, length of the longest non-vowel substring. Okay guys, this is the problem. I already introduced gigs for gigs, and in this case is the longest substring. Okay guys, and what's our approach? So we firstly generate all the substrings. Okay, we generate all the substrings, and then what we have to do, we have to find the non-vowel substring only. Okay, sorry, here mistake, we have to find only non-vowel substring. Okay, and then we have to find maximum length. Okay, now let's go on the replit. Okay guys, so before going ahead, we make a function calculate longest substring. Okay guys, calculate longest substring, and we want to pass here string. Okay, now guys, we have to call this function. Okay, we can call, just copy paste the things, and we pass in here gigs for gigs, this example. Okay, now guys, what we have to do, we have to firstly generate, guys, we have to generate the substring. So how can we generate the substring? For let I equals to 0, I plus plus, using two loops. Okay, and what we have to do, we have to declare a bag empty string, and again we have to run a loop from from I to str dot length and j plus plus. Okay, now if you can see, bag plus equal to strj, and you can console it here. You have all the substrings. Okay, you have all the substrings here. What's happening? What's happening, guys? Node2.js. Yeah, we created all the substrings, right? We generate all the substrings, length 1, length 2, length 3, and in this substring there are many substrings which have which is totally consonant or which have vowel. So we have to ignore these type of substrings in which vowel presents. Okay, we have to find only those type of string which have no any number of vowels. Okay, so we create another function. In this function, to check this substring, in this substring there is any vowel present or not. Okay, so we create a function check substring, check vowel. Okay, check vowel, and we have to pass here bag. You can pass anything, but I prefer bag. And then what we have to do, for let I equals to 0, we have to loop over through the bag to check the substrings. In this substrings, there is any vowel present or not, and we have to check if bag I equals to a, or bag I equals to e, or let's copy paste the thing, a e I u, and one more time, a e I here o. Okay guys, so we did any wrong things here, because what is this race mark? So let's figure it out what we did wrong. Bag I equals to bag e equals to bag I equals to a e I o u. If, then what we have to do, if these elements are present in this bag, a e I o u, any number of vowels present in this bag, so we can write, so our flag will be false, our flag will be false. Okay, and we declare here flag true. Now guys, here we have to return flag. Okay, now guys, this function check the things in this bag, any vowel present or not, and we have to simply pass here these functions. If check vowel, check vowel, and in this we have to pass bag, this bag. Okay, bag, and we have to also find the maximum length. Okay, bag dot length greater than max. So what we have to do, max equal to bag dot length, and we have to initialize max, let max equal to 0. Okay, now you can call console.log max. Now let's see guys in the console. Yep, 3 comes, and what's the our desired output? 3. Let's pass the another function, and let's pass the another string and check the output is correct or not. 2, the output is 2, and in this we have to just pass this. Okay, and check. Yep guys, 2 comes here. In this question there is nothing guys, only we have to calculate longest substring which does not contain any vowel. So we create, we generate all the substrings, and then we check if the substring, in the substring any vowel is present. If not present, because if present then flag will be false, if present then flag will be false, it return false. Okay, And so we check if there is no vowel containing in the substring and those length is greater than max. Max, what is the max? We initialize here from 0. You can also initialize the minus infinity, right? Yeah, you can also doing like that. And here in this check vowel function, we only iterate over the bag and check any of these elements, any of vowels presented. If presented, then flag will be, and then call the function. Okay, I hope you understood. And if you have any problem in this question regarding this approach or anything, you can comment. Thank you.